she coming on me yard. I go on like she big and she broad. Hey girl, I want you to know I'm me and the owner for the yard. I woulda Deh Wid you if you never cut me from me hand. I woulda Deh Wid you if you did have ambition. I woulda Deh Wid you give you enough satisfaction. I woulda Deh Wid you buy your piece of house and land. I woulda Deh Wid you, oh girl, I woulda Deh Wid you, yeah, yeah. All the while she coming on me yard. I go on like she big and she broad. Hey girl, I want you to know I'm me and the owner for the yard. I woulda Deh Wid you if you never cut me from me hand. I woulda Deh Wid you if you did have ambition. I woulda Deh Wid you buy your piece of house and land. I woulda Deh Wid you, and I mean it from my heart, girl, and I mean it. Oh yeah, I woulda Deh Wid you. Oh girl, I woulda Deh Wid you. Yes, I woulda Deh Wid you. Yes, I woulda Deh Wid you. All the while she coming on me yard. I go on like she big and she broad. But hey girl, I want you to know I'm me and the owner for the yard. All the while I try my best to make this girl mine. Oh yeah, I was a fool just wasting all my time. I woulda Deh Wid you if you never cut me from me hand. I woulda Deh Wid you give you enough satisfaction. I woulda Deh Wid you, oh girl, I woulda Deh Wid you. I woulda Deh Wid you buy your piece of house and land. I woulda Deh Wid you, yes, I woulda set up your plan. I woulda Deh Wid you, oh girl, I woulda Deh Wid you, and I mean it. I woulda Deh Wid you, yes, I woulda Deh Wid you, girl. Yes, I woulda Deh Wid you. I woulda Deh Wid you if you never cut me from me hand. I woulda Deh Wid you if you did have ambition. I woulda Deh Wid you give you enough satisfaction. I woulda Deh Wid you buy your piece of house and land. I woulda Deh Wid you share up all your emotion. I woulda Deh Wid you, oh girl, I woulda Deh Wid you. All the while she coming on me yard. I go on like she big and she broad. But hey girl, I want you to know I'm me and the owner for the yard. Yes, I woulda Deh Wid you, yeah, yeah. Yes, I woulda Deh Wid you if you never cut me from me hand. I woulda Deh Wid you if you did have ambition. I woulda Deh Wid you.